I think this is a very fantastic event, and we were happy to be here to be actually to bring our customers around, show them the capabilities of Dockweiler. So it actually gives all our customers the right confidence for Dockweiler's Dockweiler's event presence, products in Asia.
Hi, I'm Kenneth from CSK. I would like to congratulate Dockweiler for 70 years of anniversary. All the best to you, and have been good working as a family together all these years, the last 20 years I would say. So all the best and keep all the good work.
First of all, thank you very much for the Dockweiler team for inviting me to this very wonderful event. So all the best and congratulations to Dockweiler for 70 years in the industry. I think this is my first time at the event, and I've made a lot of new friends as well as connections that we have made over the years. So it was wonderful to see a lot of friends and colleagues here in the event. So I think what I've learned personally from the Dockweiler event is there's many three leading trends that Dockweiler is following, and it's good to know from them as well, to know from the market leader, which really separates them from the rest of the other service provider in the industry. So good job, Dockweiler. I look forward to coming back for the event next year.
Yeah, I think the event was well organized, very nice. The agenda was very precise, and I learned a lot from this visit about the capabilities and especially about the quality. I see that Dockweiler is really focusing on high-end products, and it's really nice to see. I wish you to have much more than 70 years more with the same quality. I think you are on the top right now. Keep doing that. Congratulations for the success and for being such a good supplier, and very happy to see that. Thank you very much.